It's 8 a.m. right now, and I'm starting our morning with cleaning the stove. You should see how disgusting it gets after a couple of days of not being cleaned. Here's what my plans are for the next half an hour. Extra 7 minutes to those half an hour plans. I woke up a little earlier today to do my interview, and I think it was successful. That's what my breakfast looks like when I'm a little bit lazy and don't really want to cook. Going out to feed my favorite doggies. I hope they're there. Usually I call for them, but they might not be here all the time. Some of them are not hungry at all, and when I give them some chicken bones, they refuse to eat that. Привет! Привет! Buenas tardes! Привет! Este es súper. No? Надо научить тебя команде сидеть. I have to teach it the command sit down in order to feed it. This is the most loyal dog ever. He once defended me from 2 other ones. Вот ты мой зой. Ты мой хороший. First a little love. And then some chicken. Yes? Yes? There's chicken there. Wait. Wait. Oh, your friend came. Wait. Wait. Come on. Молодец. He already took something by himself. Smart dog. Alright, well if you can do it, it's all yours. You fed those puppies earlier. Enjoy it. Вкусно. Тебе было вкусно, малыш? Да, вкусненько было. Вкусненько. Малыш такой. Да, очень вкусно. Маська. Маська такая. Такой носик. Happiness looks like this. Yeah. Alright, it's time for me to go meet Marco. What a day. My trip to the downtown wasn't very successful because when I went there to meet with Marco, the weather has changed on me 180 degrees. So basically what I did is and I took a bus back. Now when I'm back home, Wayne is still teaching and the weather is great again. Ты спокойней. You are a very quiet dog. I like quiet dogs. Now it's time for me to go to the shop. My husband asked for a Coke, coffee. I need to buy some tea for myself, ibuprofen for him too, and some stuff for lunch. And I bet those dogs are gonna follow me all the way to the supermarket. As I have mentioned, this dog followed me right to the supermarket and now running in the aisles, feeling like king here. This is the one I'm gonna choose for my husband. Mostly it's because it's decaffeinated. And I've decided to let him try this. Looks kind of cool. Pasta. Arroz. done. That was the total. And now we're gonna share one leg of the chicken with this loyal doggy. Alright, let's get it out first. Нельзя. Нельзя. Here's the chicken we're gonna share. Кушай, кушай, молодец. Кушай. Ты что? Называют голодный. That's what I was talking about. He's not very hungry. I'm gonna pick it up and give it to another dog if you don't eat it. I will, totally will. Well, let's find a dog that will want to eat chicken. No, you already tried. I've got to tell you that most of the time my bill does not exceed $10 when I go into the grocery store. If you go to the market, it's gonna be around 6 or 7 if you plan to buy food for at least 2 days for 2 people. On my way back home, now all I've got to do is buy a liter of water because you can't drink tap water here. And that's about it. Then I have learning Spanish and exercising in my agenda for today. I have changed. I'm ready to exercise. Today I'm doing a 7-minute plank. We'll see if I finish it or not. I have taken rather a very long break. A different angle. That's how I end my days most of the time, in a happy and nice atmosphere. So I wish you all the same. Have a great weekend.